apartheid was better than ANC democracy. Note that, ANC democracy. And most people who dispute that are people who are not there. And some of the people, they come from the homelands where they were oppressed by their own black people. Someone will tell you that they didn't have electricity, but where were you? Because I can tell you, it was not always rosy, but in the townships which were governed by apartheid administrations, things were better than now. Yes, there was segregation, but if you went into a black hospital, you'll find all the necessities. If you went to a black school, you'll find all those things that you needed to find. Let me break it this way. Education. There were schools, Zama Ambar, Artisan, technical colleges, Abo Vista, designated for black people, but it was there. You go to some of the urban, homelands under apartheid, like Abu Natal, you'll find universities of Fort Hare. You go to Soshanguve, go Struchel. There were, facilities, infrastructure. That's why in a township you'll find a qualified plumber, a qualified technician, a qualified electrician, somebody who could fix cars with a certificate, and that person did a proper job, trained for free, mahala, go nikro. We found those things. Art schools, they were everywhere. Go Few, Bafunda Center, every township had a hall. Sports stars were produced at auction, tennis players, cyclists, amakarateka, movie stars up to international level, like Abu Zex Mukai, Ken Camp, Abu Miriam Makeba were produced during apartheid. You go to hospitals, like Baragwanath, General, they produced. There was no shortage of medication. Road infrastructure, let's enjoy today, produced during apartheid. We had our own things, our own humanity, our own churches that we owned, where people are not, robbed, made to kiss snakes. We had our own things, businesses, movie theaters. We had those things. And then people who've never lived under apartheid, they will tell you otherwise. People who lived, oppressed by their Bantustan leaders. So what I'm talking about. I know apartheid. I've been inside an apartheid jail. Apartheid had shot, had fired bullets at me. I know friends who died during apartheid. Schools were proper. Whatever that white people had, we also had our own, even though it was not at par. Our pools, like about Jake, with the 3 townships, maybe they are sharing one swimming pool, Olympic size, boxing house, even beer houses, because they need dawa man. We had those things. We had our own Miss Black South Africa. Everything that white people had, we also had. It was separate development. Today there is none. We had jobs. We had business people. Club. Also for song. Every township, go Keith Kunene. Every township, there was, a tycoon lakon. People were driving about Jaguar, XJ type, BMW, coal mines, not coal mines, cold houses, some warehouses. We had those things, but things are malas. During apartheid. Mochomosono, produced during apartheid, but Alanabopedi. Umalombo di Chab, Wakazam Dawung. They were there owning our teams. It was tough, but we had those things. Houses. There were people who were buying houses. There were people who were renting. But they will fix your toilet, your windows, everything. 99-year lease. But after 99 years, you own the house. There were limitations. But in whatever spaces that we found ourselves, we were thriving. Yes, there were poor people. And you would be arrested for not working. Like in any society. Now, there are poor people everywhere. Everywhere. The only people who are thriving are politicians and Zionist dogs. And then somebody's going to tell me, no, what is he talking about? We had electricity, Soweto, Orlando. Yes, the rollout maybe was not as fast. But people, Bebagwas good was at December. Borders Mandan. Was a Friday. Nobody, Christmas is not every day. We had those things during the era of Exut Makeup, Abu Veradi Ghost, every township under apartheid. Remember, we had 4 provinces, Nama Bantustan homelands, and I can tell you, even those Bantustans, like Abu Putatswana, they were better than now. Abu KZN, better than now. Lapago Toyando, the so-called puppets, they governed this country better than this ANC democracy. When I'm saying apartheid was better than this ANC democracy, I'm not saying it was good, but it was better. Imagine that. And I'm telling you, I will not lose this debate. Even if losing I were to pay for your life expenses for the rest of my life, I will take that shot. I'm telling you, apartheid was better than ANC democracy. We produced, imported. Today we're buying more from outside. I'm chickens. Obama flooded us with chickens. We're importing toothpicks. We had industries, our textiles. People who were working, we had trains. Things that were built during apartheid. Tamalam Bilspana, La Pago Basaf Baubenza Matak.